How to enable suggested content notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable SoundCloud suggested content notifications. And first open SoundCloud and then click library, and now click on your profile, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click here this one, notifications, and scroll down until you find suggested contents. Turn it on and then go back, and as you see, that's how to enable suggested content notifications on SoundCloud mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.